MTD CNC have travelled to Merc Aerospace in Barrowford, and I'm joined by Paul. Now, Paul, we've got an interesting case study here using one of your Garant drills. But firstly, can you just explain the application?
So the application was a component made from material called Haynes 230, which is a nickel-based alloy. Quite a difficult to machine material with regard to tool life. And they use two different size drills, which are 12 times D through coolant solid carbide drills. Prior to Hoffmann being involved in the component, the tool life benchmark was 20 parts per component at best. Quite a slow surface speed and feed rate. So we had the opportunity to improve that, and we put our drills on, which is a 12 times D master steel feed drill, which is a 3-flute drill. Has fantastic tool life capability. We were able to increase the feed rate by 1/3, and also we increased the tool life from 20 parts per component up to 160 parts.
Wow, so 20 to 160 parts and a third increase in speed. Now, what kind of savings have they achieved from this on this one particular application?
Just over £40,000 a year. That's based on 2,000 parts a year, and that was basically two drills. They increased the tool life hugely, and a reamer also that followed these drills, and that created a huge saving.
Now, you know, it's not just the tools, is it? It's the expertise of the Hoffmann personnel to work in collaboration with the end users. So, you know, how did this project come about? And were there any teething problems to start with?
It came about from the success we'd had on with the same drills on the Matsura milling machines. We had some fantastic results on those. I took it upon myself really to try these drills on Haynes 230. As far as I'm aware, Hoffmann haven't tested this drill on these types of materials before, so it was a complete punt, and it worked out brilliantly for us, and the customer of course has realised these huge savings.
Now, can you tell us a little bit more about the Garant tooling range that you offer?
Sure, I mean, this master steel feed drill has a diameter range from 4mm up to 20mm, with lots of incremental steps in between, including imperial sizes, in length ranges from 4, 6, 8, 10 and 12 times diameter length.
Now, it's not the only aspect and products that you've been helping Merc Aerospace with. You're also helping them with the implementation of 5S and also the vending solutions. Can you just give me a brief overview on these other products and services that you're supplying?
Sure, I mean the 5S, it's great to be involved in a company like Merc with had a real drive and ambition to improve productivity and flow throughout the whole of the factory, our product just fit hand in glove really. It's a good quality product. We came and we spec'd it up, we did CAD drawings so they could visualise the actual space of the working space and the environment that the products were going to go into. We then came in and built the products, and it's now working with design foam inserts, which also help with regard to organising yourselves, and that has streamlined the whole process for Merc, and really the working environment is a much healthier environment as a result of going down this route.
Now, I was talking with Richard, the commercial director, about this, and there's been even more financial gains from this. Now, if you're looking to achieve some massive savings and improving in your productivity and efficiency, contact Hoffmann.